Hey guys, it's Car Guy 11. Just a quick video today on doing some maintenance on the Mach-E after a year. Doesn't need much, but I am going to replace the front windshield wipers, which started streaking and vibrating. I'm not sure what manufacturer they use, but I always like to use the Bosch Icon wipers, so I have them here. I previously made a video on the rear wiper, which I extended the length for more coverage, so if you want to see that video, I will put it in a link below. I also use the Bosch Icon wiper there, but today let's do a quick install on the front ones. And I will put an Amazon link below for these part numbers. It's the 20-inch and the 24-inch OE style Bosch Icon wipers. So it's pretty easy, just extend the wiper arm out and up. Then you're going to see this button right here, which you're going to push on and simply slide out the old wiper arm. There you go. Now we're going to grab the Bosch wiper out of the package. There are some adapters in there, but I believe we don't need any of them. This should slide right on to the factory mounting and clip on. See, there's that button there. It's a little bit different, but yep, that's it. And do the same on this smaller wiper. That's the 20-inch on the passenger side. So I'll show you from this angle on the shorter wiper. There's a little groove you have to get in, and then it just clicks right in. Super easy. It's pretty much the easiest wipers I've ever changed in my life, so really convenient with that little button right there. But anyway guys, if you have any questions, post them in the comments below. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Please check out more Mach-E videos on the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.